machine. I'm waiting right here until the blades or the cutter head has come to a complete stop. Let me move this forward so this way you have an opportunity to see. See the plane surface? This is nice and smooth. I had a little problem. The rulers weren't quite perfect. Just had to make a little adjustment and it went through perfectly. So now we have the milling marks on this face. Now remember, the planer takes care of the faces of the material. All right? So this is how to properly use a planer. Now that the cutter head has stopped, I can go ahead and take this and start finishing off squaring my board. This is the first step in squaring a board, is planing the faces. Then we'll go ahead and joint one edge, we'll rip the other edge and cross cut the ends. Until next time, I'm Mr. C in the wood shop, and this is a safety video on this planer in the wood shop at Dakota. All right, bye-bye.